All right, YouTube, 116 Falconer. Me and 116 Junior the Third are going to try to make a rocket stove out of this log. We just went out in the woods and harvested it, old ash log. So we're going to do this with a chainsaw, though, the electric chainsaw. We're going to try cutting down. Here, grab that, buddy. We're going to make a triangular cut here, and we're going to come down and make a reverse triangle at the bottom. We're going to see if we can do that first. Now we're going to put a fire starter in there just to see if this actually works. So, and we don't know if the saw's even going to work. So, all right, have at it there, Junior the Third. All right, YouTube, so the Harbor Freight links there just didn't have the ass to do this, so he broke out the real saw. We went down, so now what we're gonna do is come down here. We're gonna come down about right here on the log, cut through, put a fire starter in there, and we'll see how she looks. All right, boy. Let's, where do you want to do it? From here or here?
Where the corner is, that we can hit a little bit sooner, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, now this one we want to do the long cut here and the triangle this way.
You want it to be pointing towards this edge.
Yeah, but, jeez, man, that's a heavy ass. So we want to go here, here, and here.
Well, no, you want to go here and here. Because you want it to be pointing towards this, right?
Well, however, I don't give a shit. Just get it done. Get it done. We'll be back in a minute. We're going. We'll be back in a minute. All right, so we got the plug out on the side here.
Right there.
So we just got to cut down through there a little bit more. And then we'll stick a freaking fire starter in there and see if we can boil some water on this bitch.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna open it up a little more. We'll be back in a minute here. All right, so we're looking just about good here. There's something in there. The boy hit it. It sparked pretty good. So just go down, do a couple plunge cuts there, knock that piece out, and we should be ready to roll. There we go. I can't get it.
Not quite
Might
there.
need a screwdriver. Just about there. It's just about there.
I don't know where the hell it's stuck at. For all of
Let's stick the saw in there again. I mean, it should be good enough. We should probably be able to put that fire starter in. There we go. Bam. Done. Done like dinner. Where's it coming in? Right there. So it comes in right here. It's going to go out there where my cigarette is. So now we're going to put it up on top of the burner here, just so it doesn't burn on the ground. Light it up and see if this thing actually works like people say they do. Of course, we didn't do it with a hand auger or anything, so. Let me get a fire starter here. Blammo, one of these. Here, hold it. Shove that biatch in there. Fire her up. That should be good. That's good. All right, so she's burning in there. Let's see if this log takes off. I'll go get a pot of water. We'll see if we can boil some water on this thing. I'm back in a minute. All right, YouTube, so we got a rip in here. Now, in this totally plausible scenario, if you're out logging in the woods and all you have is your steel chainsaw, a cast iron frying pan, a bowl of water, and and Bigfoot chases up off the logging road. So you're not near your truck.
And you both get lost.
But yet you keep your chainsaw, cast iron skillet, and bowl of water, you'll be able to set up one of these rocket stoves. So we're gonna put the we're gonna put the cast iron skillet on there with some water and see if we can get it boiling to make coffee we don't have because Bigfoot chases up in the woods.
But warm water is better than nothing.
Alright, get that on there. We can make some pine needle tea.
Pine needle tea, there you go. Absolutely.
I know.
And this is already equipped with some dog drool, so you don't got to worry about any of that.
Fill it right up there, buddy. This rocket stove is gonna make short work of that. So that's the scenario, people. Remember, you gotta have your chainsaw. Oh, also some wood to stoke the fire in there. Fire starter.
My name's Holden Russell. If anybody's watching this, I've been lost for at least 4 hours. No more than 150 yards away from the logging road. I have no way back to civilization.
Anyways, let's see how long it takes to get the water boiled. We'll be back in a minute. All right, YouTube. Well, it didn't take long. The water's boiling. We got the stick here. We've just been feeding pine cones in there. And it makes one hell of a fire. It's pretty cool. So if you don't have if you get chased by Bigfoot and you only have your chainsaw and and your cast iron skillet
And
pine cones, water, fire starter. Well, you probably do it without the fire starter, but we did it the lazy way. So there you go. It works nice. Look at that. All right, that's it. Rocket stove, chainsaw style. See ya, bitches. How do I turn this fucking... Alright, YouTube, 106 Falconer. Anyways, all joking aside, this freaking thing works amazingly well. I mean, you need very little medium in there. Now she's just smoldering. The amount of heat it gives off is freaking awesome. So we'll take a look at it in the morning and see what it's done. All right, YouTube. So this is the next day with the rocket stove. Had to take the dog out about 1:30 this morning, and this thing was really smoldering, putting out a ton of heat. So I filled it up with snow, extinguished the fire, but I think did a freaking awesome job. All right, that's it. See ya.